Have you ever wondered what Earth will look like in 1 billion years? Imagine the planet, not as a snapshot of today, but as a dynamic, ever-changing canvas. This is the concept of deep time, a scale so vast that human histories fade into the briefest moments. Over such spans, Earth will undergo transformations that are almost beyond our current understanding. To explore these distant futures, scientists rely on a blend of geological and astronomical data. They study the patterns in Earth's rock layers, the shifts in tectonic plates, and the cycles of solar activity. These elements act like a time machine, providing clues about how our planet might evolve. Consider how the continents have drifted and merged over millions of years. Projecting forward, we use similar data to envision Earth a billion years from now. Will it be a single supercontinent surrounded by a vast ocean, or something entirely unimaginable? Let's dive into the changes that will transform our planet. Imagine all Earth's continents merging together once again. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a future scenario predicted by the theory of plate tectonics. As we delve into this theory, it's fascinating to observe how the Earth's crust is divided into several large and small plates. These plates are constantly moving, albeit at a slow pace, similar to the growth rate of our fingernails. Now, you might wonder, how does this slow movement lead to the formation of supercontinents? Well, the surface of our planet is dynamic. Over hundreds of millions of years, these tectonic plates collide, pull apart, and slide past each other. Through these interactions, continents slowly but inevitably converge. This process has led to the formation of various supercontinents throughout Earth's history, such as Pangaea, which existed around 250 million years ago. Currently, we are witnessing the continents drifting again, hinting at the formation of a future supercontinent. Scientists have proposed several models predicting how this could occur. One popular hypothesis is the formation of Pangaea Proxima, which suggests that in about 250 million years, many of Earth's current continents will come together around the equator, significantly altering global geography and climate. These tectonic movements don't just reshape our maps, they influence ocean patterns, climate, and even biodiversity. The creation of a supercontinent can lead to major changes in the environment, affecting how species evolve and interact. Such massive geological changes will reshape the face of our planet. Now turn your gaze towards the sky. What happens to the Earth as the sun ages? As the central figure in our solar system, the sun holds the ultimate key to the future of our planet. Currently in its middle age, the sun is a stable star, but it won't always be this tranquil. In about 5 billion years, the sun will enter the red giant phase of its life cycle. This dramatic transformation begins as the star exhausts the hydrogen at its core, causing it to collapse under its own gravity. As the core contracts, it heats up, reigniting nuclear fusion in a shell around the core. This will cause the outer layers of the sun to expand massively. The sun, once a familiar yellow dwarf, will grow to a size that engulfs the inner planets, possibly even reaching Earth. The implications of this expansion are catastrophic for our planet. With the sun's expansion, the temperature on Earth will rise drastically. This increase in heat could lead to the evaporation of our oceans, transforming Earth into a dry, barren landscape. The atmosphere too might see dramatic changes, becoming thicker and possibly toxic. Furthermore, the increased radiation from the bloated sun could strip away the Earth's protective atmosphere, exposing the surface to harmful cosmic rays and solar winds. This would eradicate conditions necessary for life as we know it, leading to a possible extinction of many species, including humans. With the sun expanding, Earth's survival hangs in a delicate balance. What about the air we breathe and the shield that protects us? As we journey a billion years into the future, Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field undergo significant transformations. The atmosphere, a vital blanket of gases that sustains life, begins to thin. Increased solar luminosity warms the planet, causing a rise in surface temperatures and accelerating the loss of breathable air. This thinning atmosphere could lead to less protection from harmful ultraviolet radiation, potentially making the surface of Earth a much harsher environment. Simultaneously, Earth's magnetic field, our planet's invisible protector, might be weakening. This magnetic field has shielded us from solar and cosmic radiation, playing a crucial role in maintaining the conditions necessary for life. A weaker magnetic field means more intense solar radiation reaching Earth's surface, affecting all forms of life and possibly altering genetic material. These changes remind us of the fragile balance that sustains life on our planet. Our atmosphere and magnetic field might not be as reliable as they are today. With such extreme changes, can life as we know it still exist? In the distant future, Earth will be a very different place. As the sun ages and expands, our planet will face harsher conditions, challenging the very fabric of life. Yet, if history has taught us anything, it's that life is remarkably resilient. From the depths of the ocean to the edges of boiling volcanic springs, life forms known as extremophiles thrive in conditions that would be lethal to most. Imagine a world where these extremophiles are not the exception, but the rule. As Earth's environment becomes more extreme, life might evolve in ways we can hardly fathom. Microorganisms could adapt to intense heat or radiation, developing mechanisms to survive where nothing else can. Plants and animals might evolve into forms that can withstand severe temperatures and altered atmospheres. However, the road to adaptation is fraught with challenges. Potential extinction events such as massive volcanic eruptions or asteroid impacts could reset the evolutionary clock at any moment. Each event could wipe out existing life forms, making way for new ones to emerge from the ashes. Yet through every trial and catastrophe, life has shown an uncanny ability to endure and adapt. The journey of life on Earth might take unexpected turns as conditions evolve. Some species will inevitably fall by the wayside, while others, perhaps unimaginable today, will rise. Life has always found a way, but the future might challenge it like never before. Earth's story is fascinating, but it's not the only one changing in our solar system. As we cast our gaze beyond our blue planet, Mars beckons with tales of transformation. The red planet, long the subject of human fascination and the target of numerous missions, is undergoing changes that could make it more hospitable. Imagine vast plains once barren now potentially brimming with genetically engineered life forms, tailored to thrive in Martian conditions. Picture towering dust storms giving way to the steady construction of domed habitats, as advancements in technology possibly allow humans to establish the first off-world settlements. Turning our eyes towards the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn are swirling mysteries of immense atmospheres. Over the span of 1 billion years, these celestial behemoths might experience dramatic shifts in their atmospheric compositions. These changes could reveal new layers of their complex weather systems or perhaps even hint at the conditions necessary for some form of gas giant-specific life. Meanwhile, technological progress marches on, painting a future where our species steps beyond mere exploration. We might see spacecraft that can endure the harsh environments of Venus, or submarines designed to explore the methane lakes of Titan. The very essence of space travel could be revolutionized by breakthroughs in propulsion technology, reducing travel times exponentially and making the solar system more accessible than ever. As Earth changes, our destiny may become interplanetary. Zoom out further. What does the future hold for the universe itself? As we peer deeper into the cosmos, the universe reveals a narrative of expansion and transformation. The prevailing theory, supported by a wealth of astronomical observations, suggests that the universe will continue to expand. This expansion is not merely a spreading out of galaxies, but an increasing distance between them, as if the very fabric of space itself is stretching. In this ever-expanding cosmos, the potential for new star formation lights up the astronomical charts. As old stars die, their material is recycled into the birth of new stars, a cosmic phoenix cycle that ensures the universe remains a lively, dynamic place. However, as the universe ages, the rate of star formation is expected to slow, leading to a possible future where the lights of the cosmos gradually dim. Galaxies, those vast islands of stars bound by gravity, will also evolve. They might merge or drift apart, altering the cosmic landscape. The universe continues to expand and evolve on a scale beyond human comprehension. 1 billion years is a long time, almost unimaginable. Reflecting on the journey we've taken through Earth's potential future, we've seen continents drift and merge into a single, vast supercontinent. We've watched as the sun expanded, altering the very fabric of our planet's atmosphere and magnetic field. Imagine the Earth, its air thinning, its magnetic shield weakening, all while life in its ever-resilient forms adapts to these extreme conditions. Beyond our planet, the solar system too undergoes its metamorphoses, with planets and moons shifting in their dances through space. And then our gaze expanded further out into the universe, witnessing the cosmic ballet of galaxies, stars, and the relentless march of time that shapes all existence. This vast timeline not only highlights the transient nature of our current environment, but also underscores the importance of cherishing and safeguarding this unique and fleeting moment we share on Earth. As we ponder Earth's vast future, let's cherish and protect its present.